Hello everyone, welcome to Lane Guitar, myself Arun. In this video we will see how to play the song Poi Solla Koodadhu Kaadale from the movie Run. So the song starts from this note, Poi Solla. So I have played all the notes, the second string. So the second string, 9th fret, this is a note from where the song actually starts. So this is G sharp, and that is the 9th fret. So 9th fret in the second string, which is G sharp. Poi Solla. So Poi is these two notes, that is G sharp and F sharp in the second string, that is 9 and 7th fret. So strike here, move the fret, move the finger towards the 7th fret. Poi Solla, Solla, and that Solla is actually in the 5th fret of the second string, and the note is E. So G sharp, F sharp, E. Poi Solla, Poi Solla, Ko. So Poi Solla, Ko, Poi Solla, Ko. Koodadhu Kaadale is actually this note, D sharp, E, F sharp, G. So the notes are G sharp, F sharp, E. Poi Solla Koodadhu Kaadale, Kaadale. So Kaadale is second string, 4th, 5th, 9th, 7th. So the note is D sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp. Poi Solla Ko, Poi Solla Koodadhu. Koodadhu is E and F sharp. Poi Solla Koodadhu Kaadale. Poi Sonnalum is starting in the 10th fret, and this is A, G sharp, F sharp, Poi Sonnalum. So these many notes are coming, which is A, G sharp, F sharp, Poi Sonnalum, Poi Sonnalum. So Poi Sonnalum is A, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A. Poi Sonnalum. Sonnalum is B and C sharp. Poi Sonnalum, Ni. Poi Sonnalum, Niye, Niye, Niye en Kaadale. So Niye en Kaadale is G sharp, A, Niye en Kaadale. So G sharp, A, F sharp, G, F sharp, E. Okay, so if you are playing all these notes together, it will be like Poi Solla. So that is Poi Solla Koodadhu, that part. And next is Kangalal Kangal. And for that part, Kangalal Kangalil, this is G sharp, B, Kangalal. So G sharp, B, Kangalal Kangalil. So that many times we are playing at note B. So all notes are in second string. So G sharp, Kangalal Kangalil. For up to that times we are playing or striking at B. So G sharp, B, Kangalal Kangalil. And this is note is actually C sharp in the second string, which is 14th fret. So G sharp, then B, 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 striking at B and then moving towards C sharp. Kangalal Kangalil, Ni, So that is G sharp B, G sharp B. So G sharp B, G sharp B, and then this note A. Okay, so two times we are playing that. So if you are playing in a plucking style, it will be like and again and next is this is the very interesting part. So for that part actually we are striking at B, then this note, that is F sharp, strike here, move towards F sharp, and then strike at F sharp and then move towards E. So, and then this note, that is D sharp and E, and then and that note is B, this is F sharp, and then strike at F sharp, then move towards E, to strike at E. This is D sharp, D sharp, E. And second part is little difficult for you, I think. Second part is actually so that is first part is and that is starting from B, one strike, three notes. So B, A, B, kannode. So B, one strike at B and three notes, that is B, B, G, A, B, B, A, B, that is on one strike we are playing these three notes. And next part, second area is, and these notes are this one A, F sharp, A, and this is same D sharp and E. So first is and second third part is same as first one. So this is first one, this is second one, this is third one, and next one is Kanavengum, which is F sharp, G, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, G, E, then D, C sharp. Tita is this C sharp, D. So C sharp, D, F sharp, G sharp. And again So that's all for the Pallavi part. So happy learning.